Dropping the deep.
Drop the deep.
And we're back. He's alive. All right, welcome back to Joystick Jokers.
Add rain.
Add rain. Now we're stuck.
No, swing from the H to the D to the D. Over the pool.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's gonna spell drain.
Or you could spell nut.
Nut. Or ton. Or runt.
Or rut.
Or tenor.
Rut. Get rid of the water. Be in a rut.
What's a rut? To be in a rut?
To be in a rut.
Here we go. Swinging on my D. Oh, we're gonna swing and spell drain. Drain!
Yeah.
How does it stick?
Oh yeah, I remember I gave away the answer last time.
Do I jump down in?
Sure.
I'm guessing we can't swim. Ooh. Wow, those.
That's a
filled up
quick pool, yeah.
Here we go. We're jumping.
I bet you're gonna have to run back here some reason.
I know, that's kind of weird. What is this?
Safe? Oh, C.
Sia. Essaya.
Ease. Ease? Try ease. C.
It says blockade. Let's see.
What are we missing here? What's going on?
Now I'm confused.
T's. C's.
Ah!
Alright, yeah. No, that's... Oh!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Lever. Pull. Can we pull it? What did that do?
Whoa.
That opened another drop.
Drop it, girl.
Here we go. Ah! Whoa.
Oh, I thought you'd been on the left.
Okay, wait. We got a P.
But you can't get it anywhere. Can you throw it up? Oh no, but you can go jump down and pull that lever.
Ah!
You don't need the P. You don't need the P yet. You're good.
Oh,
Forget about the
yeah.
P. Yeah. No, drop that.
Should I go right or down?
I would bet right takes it to the lefty.
Let's see. Let's
Should we see what it does?
Yeah, let's just see. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see where down takes us.
To the C.
Here we go. Should we just bring the C down?
Yeah, just do it there.
Let's see. We don't want to pull that
Why?
yet.
What else are you gonna do?
Maybe we did. You know what? Yeah, we did. Hey! Going in.
Yep.
Coming out. Pull the lever. Let's go down. This will bring us up to the P, right?
Yeah.
No, this one over here brings us up to the P.
Yeah.
Here we
Oh,
go.
dude, you're so smart.
Here we go. We grab the P. Grab the P. Throw the P. Throw the P. Okay, now what?
Pull the lever.
Pull the
Now take the
lever?
P. Take the P in the hole, baby.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's jump in the P hole.
Shit.
Come on, dude. Let's see. If we drop that, we come through here. Let's jump down. Let's catch this lever.
Pull the lever. Oh!
Oh!
Now walk to the left.
Here we go. Go, baby.
Walk to the left.
Go, baby.
Left. Now drop the hole.
Now we just go down here, right?
Yep.
We get the R.
That's a P.
The P.
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm kind of dying. Do we drop or just? No, we need the lever.
No, we need to get to the
Oh my gosh, that hurt my head now. Okay, so I pull this.
Yeah. Now take
this.
no. Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Now drop those letters in the middle.
Yeah.
No, drop those in the hole, man.
Are you sure?
Well, let's take them to where the
No,
L is.
let's see. Let's make sure. Oh
Yeah,
shoot,
I was
dude!
right, man.
Dang. What can we spell though?
Please or peace.
I know that's what I thought.
Peace. We can spell
Pieces.
C's
Pieces?
like C's to do things.
Let's see.
Capes. We can fly. Space.
Dude, I don't know.
Try all those things. All the
Space.
above.
Let's start with space.
That was spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
And you didn't put the extra letter down either. Spacey. that's not it.
I'm not sure what that was.
Escape! Escape! Escape!
Escape! Dude, you're so spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
You're so.
You're so spaghetti.
Dude, why do I struggle so much?
Spaghetti.
Heck yeah!
Yeah.
Heck yeah! Elevator.
I was really hoping.
So
I was really hoping it'd be capes.
Uh-oh. I'm not liking this, bro.
Elevator.
I'm not liking this.
What?
Is that a save point? I think that's what this means. I think it's a save point. I don't like that darkness. Why are we zooming in? I don't like this. I don't like this. No, what's that behind?
What are you talking about?
I'm overly paranoid. That's gonna move.
I don't know what you're even talking about.
That's gonna move. That. Ooh, dude, no. Whoa. That was a hand.
Get the magic.
Oh,
genie.
Oh, it's skadoosh.
It's helpful. It's mugger. It's mum.
Mum.
None.
Mom? Mom, I always knew you'd come home.
Mum?
Is that a P? What is that? Is that our other arm?
It's another arm?
What does it spell?
No.
What would that spell? That's gotta be our other
It would have
arm.
been hope. Maybe. Would have turned the R into a P.
Hoper. Hoper.
No, maybe it turned the R into a P.
Oh,
can you move right now?
Snap. Nope.
Okay. Oh. I don't even know what it was, but I wanted it.
Dude, that thing's evil.
Whoa.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, that's very delicious. Oh, your arm.
It tasted like a pea.
It tastes so good.
Dang, dude.
I'm just a pea in a red.
We gotta get our pea back.
Get the pea, baby.
Oh no. Save us. Protect us.
Protect me, Mum.
What is
Zeus? Eos?
Run, hero.
Oh, man. It's okay, you didn't hear that.
Achievement. Lost in Fear.
Lost in Fear. Very well. Well done.
Chapter 1 complete. Ooh, it's kind of gassy.
It's the shrooms,
Ooh,
man. You're
ooh,
okay.
ooh, I don't like needles. No,
Ooh.
no. Yeah, you stay away.
So we have that to deal with now.
Yeah, but now we've got our ninja friend.
Nope.
Oh, she said bye.
Alright, we'll see you later.
But the
Brave.
I can be brave.
So does that inject us with fear then?
Maybe. Oh! What is that? It's gonna stab me.
Oh, it's letters, but we can't see what they are.
What's this? Is that an E? Oh!
No.
It killed me. Let's try that one again. Brave. Dude.
Oh, we should have seen what the letters were. Faith. Just do that.
Is that not how you spell faith? Duh!
There we go. Can you bring
Gotcha.
faith? Can you bring faith with you?
Probably. I wouldn't make it past this point.
Sad. It's gonna be sad.
Now I'm sad. Oh, look at his face! Oh,
You should have moved.
we're dead. Okay, attempt 3. Here we go. We got brave.
Brave and faith.
Shoot. Yep, we're gonna bring this along with us, and you will stay the crap away.
Yeah.
We're gonna get this as close.
We don't want to spill. No, get over there. Get over. No,
There
just
we go.
just keep it there. Yeah.
Okay, so.
Abs. Oh my gosh. So we don't want to spell sad, I don't think.
Oh, you gotta feed it the D.
Feed the D, baby.
Oh, I thought it was adding letters. Frick. Don't touch me.
Safe. Need to spell safe.
Frick. Don't touch me.
Oh.
Here we go. Go. Shoot. Safe. We got this. Now let's bring this close along with us.
This game is, this game is really cool.
I really like this game. I'm enjoying it a lot. Nope.
Dogo?
No. Dang it.
Good. You spell good. Hurry!
Go. Good. We're good. We're good. We're all good.
Dogo.
Get away from me, needles. This is why I don't go to the doctor. Oh, it's that fool again.
Oh.
Ha! Miss me. Go, 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 go!
This is a lot like Limbo.
I never played Limbo.
It's pretty similar.
I played the other one, Inside.
I think this one's actually a lot cooler than Limbo.
Wonder who the developer for Limbo was. Wonder if it's similar. I have a feeling that we probably missed a secret or something.
Push trust with you.
Absolutely, I'm gonna trust it.
Get trust in there again. Get trust and then we'll figure out what we're supposed to spell. So what do we need? We need rotor.
Rotor.
Lit.
Let me just bring these close.
Try to spell lit.
Lit?
Maybe I'll give you a light.
Really?
I don't know.
That was no bueno, dude.
Yeah, make those ones, but put them in order.
Don't get me. Okay, here we go. What do we got? We got a rotor.
Roll.
Frick.
Rust.
We got this.
Rotor. Twist. Turn.
Tilt!
Oh, good. Look at you.
Here we go.
What are you doing?
Sorry!
It was there.
Crap, dude.
It's still T-tail. It's not tilt yet.
I know, but I'm gonna die. Hold on. Hold on. Let's get some trust going.
Yeah, put trust as close as you can. Keep trust close to your heart.
Come on! Oh my gosh, I hate this system.
I hate this system.
Okay, we're gonna push this all the way over. And we're gonna go get this frickin' loser.
Oh, you're gonna wanna move.
Tilt.
Okay, now you need to turn it back to trust when it's at the right spot. Right there. Oh, no. Too late.
Dang it.
Tilt,
Frick.
Rust.
Oh my gosh. He can still attack me when I'm in this?
Yeah. Now take it away. Oh, there's your chance. Now take it away. Oh, there's your chance
I
again.
have to wait to hit.
You're really messing up.
Are you kidding me? This is so difficult. Are you kidding me?
Oh, you're gonna get stabbed.
Oh my gosh, I keep hitting him.
Oh.
Here we go. We trust this. We trust this. How? Go, 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 go. What am I doing?
Oh! Need that tea.
There we go.
Wow,
Wait, you that are on this side. I know we're struggling, but we figured it out.
Bus.
Here we go. So if we stand like right here in the middle,
Okay.
I don't think these two can get us. Look, neither of them can get us. So let's go. S-U-R-T. Tilt.
You have to. Yeah. And now make it trust now.
Okay, that's what we need to do.
As I said. Now. All right.
I can't see. There we go. Okay. Now we got this. Okay, tell me when to hit A.
Now. Well, too late. Wow, you're making this game look really hard.
You're a jerk. Okay, so I gotta do it a little bit before. Right there. There we go!
There it is. Now make trust.
Now we're gonna make trust really quick. Uh-oh.
You made tilt.
Uh-oh.
The tilt is good.
Ratiltle. Ratiltle. No!
Oh, it hurts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
Freaking spelling sucks.